Okay, so this is how you are going to print the 2 slides for your journal. First, you're going to go up here to where it says File and click. Come all the way down to the bottom, it's going to say Print. Now, that is not going to take you to the print window. What that does is it creates a PDF. So on my Mac, and it may be in a different location on a PC, you may have to ask a friend or a parent who knows. But I can show my downloads here, but mine automatically opens. So now I have the PDF. But I want you to notice the PDF is all 10 slides, and I don't need all 10 slides. I only need slide 4 and slide 5. I don't want to print all those extra pages. So now when I come up here to File, Print, when that print window opens, where it says Pages, instead of 1 through 10, I'm going to push 4 to 5, 4-5. So now I'll only print pages 4 to 5, and then I can click Print right here to send it to my printer.